So, good morning everyone. Today we are here to discuss the chapter on the spreadsheet. So, this is the second chapter which we will be going to discuss, and the topic which we will be discussing today are the introduction to spreadsheet. Introduction to spreadsheet, and I'll be teaching you how to rename, delete the sheet. Now, before discussing about the spreadsheet, I just want you to ask about the spreadsheet. So, what do you mean by spreadsheet? Do you know what is spreadsheet? I am sure that you have come across this word spreadsheet, and I also know that you have done this in their junior classes. A spreadsheet is a software package which consists of rows and columns. The rows are denoted by the numbers and the columns are denoted by the letters. Now, MS Excel is a spreadsheet. So, have you heard about MS Excel? So, MS Excel is a spreadsheet where we can do the calculations, and it's also used in the business to do the calculations, and you can also insert the formulas and functions. Now, the rows and the columns are very important because the intersections of rows and columns makes the cell. Okay. Now here I want you to tell that there are many types of spreadsheet packages. The different companies manufactures the different types of spreadsheet. There are VCCalc is a spreadsheet, Lotus 1234 is the spreadsheet, and there are many more spreadsheet. But today we will be discussing about MS Excel. So MS Excel is a spreadsheet package developed by the Microsoft Corporation. So I'll just like to show you about the spreadsheet. So look at this. Now see, look at the windows over here. Look at the windows over here. Now the windows is showing about the rows and the columns. So this is the Excel spreadsheet windows. So it consists of the rows and it consists of columns. The rows are denoted by, as I've already told you, rows are denoted by the numbers and the alphabets denotes the column. Now this consists of different sheets. So the file which we see over here is called the workbook. Excel file is called a workbook. So a workbook consists of number of sheets. So there are these sheets where we can write the formula, and this small thing is called the cell. Now this is the cell. So the cell is the place where we can store the informations. Now each cells is denoted by its address. This is called cell address. Now if I write D2, so I am D2 means, sorry, if I insert here, if I insert a value over here, if I highlight the cell, it gives you the address. Now this is the address. This B2 is the address. You can see B2 over there, B3 over there. This is the address of the cell. This is the address. So if I keep here, it will give M4. If I write Z100, then it will take you to the end. So do you know how many rows and how many columns do the Excel have? You might be surprised to hear about it. It consists of 1,048,000 rows and 16,348 columns. Okay. So now this spreadsheet, if you want to add a new spreadsheet, you can add the spreadsheet like this. You can just click over here. If you want to rename it, just right click the thing and you can just rename it, give the name. If you want to delete the sheet, you can right click and you can delete the sheet. If you want to give the color to the spreadsheet, there are different colors of the tab. You can give to the tab colors also. So there are many options over there. Now I just want you to show you the different ribbons available. So this is the file ribbon, so where we can save, we can open the file. This is the home ribbon where we can do the basics formatting. So you can see the address, you can see we can give the borders from here, we can do the alignment, we can do the settings, conditional formatting, formatting tables, many options are here, and also the function. So we will come to that formulas and function later. So different functions are also there, and this is the insert where we can insert the pictures and clip art, likewise we do in Microsoft Word. We have also got shapes, smart app, smart, this one, smart, smart art, and also we have a screenshots also if you want to take the screenshot. So on charts and all, we will come to that one later. See the page layout, see the formulas. So when we are doing the formulas, I'll be showing you about this, how we can use the formulas. So data's sorting can also be done. These are the ribbons which can done. Now how to move around the spreadsheet? So we can either go down and we can go up, we can go to the left, we can go to the right. So this way we can track the spreadsheet. Okay, so now there are some spreadsheets, as I've already told you, there are different spreadsheets developed by the different companies. Likewise, Lotus 123, BPP Planner, Pre-Windows Software, LibreOffice Calc, Office Calc, etc. Now, the sheet or the work tab is used to display the worksheet that you are currently editing. The sheet tab. So this tab, whichever you show, it will show you the tab whichever you are, wherever you are connecting. Okay. So if I right now I am in 87, so it's giving me A87. If I write A1, I'll be go to the first cell. So these are how you have to do this one. Now I'll be taking you to page number 61. So I have already mentioned you there are one 1,048,576 rows and 60,084 columns. Now if you multiply that, that means we have 17179869184 cells. Just imagine, it will take 544 years to do the entry on the sheets, to make the entry in the cells. You just imagine, you need 545 years if you are going to enter. It takes so much time, isn't it? So we can just type these characters, we can rename the sheet. I have already told you. Now this is what we have to do in this topic. So I hope I have covered the spreadsheet, whatever the spreadsheet, what is the, how can you insert a new sheet, how can you rename a new sheet, how can you delete a new sheet, how can you give the sheet a color. So, and I have also showed you about the different ribbons over here, different ribbons which are there. So these are the some of the options which are which you need to know. Okay, so this much for today. We'll be continue in the next class. Thank you.